Hi everyone, thank you for watching Hungry Buddies. This is Irene Zaragoza with a new recipe. This is a vegetable recipe. This is called CHOPSUEY. Don't forget to watch and like and share and comment down below if whatever you want to say or suggest that we will be cooking for you, that we will be very glad to do it. Okay, so we have here our array of ingredients for our CHOPSUEY. We have the olive oil, we have the cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, carrots, snow peas. We have the chayote here. We have the porcini mushroom, a wild mushroom. This is dried and I'm hydrating it. Then this is the baby corn. And this is the pork belly that I already boiled and tenderized. And then we have here onions and garlic and the shrimps. These shrimps are big, see? So we have to cut this into into bite sizes. See? So we will cut it into bite sizes, and then with our pork, we have to cut this too into bite sizes. This is so tender, it falls apart. We'll start with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then garlic and onions. You just have to let the garlic release its aroma, and then the onions, you can put them all together and then let it sweat. To help in the sweating, we can add salt already. This is 1 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon of the black pepper. And I can smell it now. We don't need to brown the garlic, otherwise it will be bitter. And while we are doing this, we have also to cut some of our veggies. We have here the carrots. We have to make some decorative cuttings in our carrots. Okay, while this is rendering, I think this is time for us now to put our pork. The pork in, and the carrots in. I have here the sayote. I cut it into 2, and then we have to peel it. Remove the seed in the middle, and then peel it like so. Then we have to put them here. It's easy. And then we have to put soy sauce, a good kind of soy sauce. 2 ladles like this of soy sauce. This is a low sodium soy sauce. And then our mushroom. I soaked it in water and to bloom it, so we have also to put in the water. It has all the flavors there. And then while we are waiting for that, we have to slice up some of our ingredients. So with this snow piece, we have to cut the ends, and then we have to remove this fiber. See that? This one on its edge, it has a fiber. That's not very good to eat. This one, see that? There. Then we have to cut this slantly. There we go. And then for our cabbage, we have also to put the cabbage and cut them small pieces. Or cauliflower. Put it here. Put them all together. They will just cook all together too. And our broccoli. So we have a lot of colors in our chopsuey. The green, the white, orange, and the pink for our shrimp later. Then we have, you notice I don't cover it, because when you cover it, the color of your veggies will become dark, but we don't like dark colored veggies. When I was in elementary school, my teacher in home economics said, don't overcook your veggies because you are killing the vitamins and minerals in it. The best way to eat it is you still feel the crunch. Okay? Then you can dump in our baby corn and our cabbage and our snow peas. So they are all now covered with veggies, and we'll just wait until it's time for us to stir them again. Our chopsuey is about cooked, so we have to put now our shrimps. Shrimp always the last one, so it would not get gummy or rubbery. You have to cover it 5 minutes only. then this will be cooked. It's about time to reveal. Yes, it's done. Look at the shrimp. Just right. To turn this off, and then we have to plate it. The taste of the wild mushroom. Wow, it's so good. Beautiful. Healthy. Look at our shrimps. Big chunks of shrimps. There you go. I'll try it from here. So good. Veggies still crunchy. And let's try the shrimp. Ooh. Perfect. Really good. Baby corn. You need to give this a try. And thank you for watching and liking, and please share and comments below so that we would know how we're doing in our video tutorial. Thanks for watching.